Hey, it's Mitch here from IEL. I wanted to give you a quick demo of our projects feature, which you should have access to today. So projects is like a workspace for tasks that you repeat a lot, or domain areas that you work in a lot, where you can connect chat and prompts and workflows and knowledge bases as tools, and really start to find some efficiencies. It's also where we are starting to introduce the concept of agents and sub-agents for your work. So to get started, you can see here on the left-hand bar, you have a new projects tab. Let's create a new project. For this one, I'm going to create a market research project. This is just a configuration page. You would set the default model that you would be chatting to. I'm going to use the new Claude Opus 4.7. You can set some advanced settings in here as well. Cool. So every every project is comprised of chat, tools, which we'll configure in a second, and knowledge bases. Let's configure the knowledge base. So I have here a research knowledge base that I'm going to set as reference and output. Reference means that whenever I ask chat a question, it's first going to check what files I have in the knowledge base, and it will look for an answer in there. Output means if I create an artifact, that will be the place that it will store it. I'm now going to set up some tools, right? So tools are comprised of all of the things that you would use IEL for today. So we can connect prompts and workflows that you might already have, scripts that you might have already built, external MCP that you might already connect to, so different tools that you might use that you want to loop IEL into. For this one, we're going to connect a company identifier prompt and a market research prompt. System tools are always configured, but you can turn them off. This is just web search and web fetch, meaning that this project can get content from the internet. Cool. And so to start, I'm going to say, what reports do we already have in our research folder? Right, and you can see that it's pulled the 3 reports that we have in our folder. I want to add 2 new reports for 2 different industries. So I'm going to say create and save 2 new reports for the following industries in 2026. Let's say financial services and the automotive industry. And you can see here that what the projects chat is doing is it's spinning up 2 separate agents that are going to work outside of the context of this chat, and achieve these tasks in parallel. It is also going to use the prompts that I'd already created that do the market research in the way that I like. So both of those things are going to happen in the background and then be returned to this chat once they're saved in the knowledge base that we'd specified. Okay, and so both of these reports have been generated and saved to the knowledge base. So now we have 5 reports in the knowledge base. Why don't we ask a question of the chat across all reports? So are all industries covered in the knowledge base? What are the key challenges that they share? What are the biggest risks in 2026? And so now this is doing, just traditional RAG. It is listing what reports are in there. It's looking at the propositions that would have been generated by that knowledge base, and it's doing quick cross-industry analysis, right? So all 5 industries, geopolitics and tariff stuff, some specific stuff about AI, pretty much all the things that you would expect to see. We can now call out a specific tool that we might have listed in there. So if we say company identifier, what are the companies that are most vulnerable to, let's say, geopolitical supply shock in the automotive industry? Right, now it is using that prompt, which again, we connected as a memory here, launching the tasks as a sub-agent. Cool. And that prompt has returned these companies and ranked them by who is the most at risk for that area. Some of the other cool things about projects, you might have spied it before, but you can launch things in the background. So let's say we wanted to just launch the market research assistant, create and save a new report on the, hospitality industry in 2026. You can launch that in the background. And so that will just happen in the background once that report is ready, it'll be available in the knowledge base that we configured before. So this is just a quick look at our projects feature. We're just scratching the surface. I really hope you get your hands on it, and let us know of any feedback as you use it. Thanks.